Are you going outside, Kodi? Hi, come on. Let's go. Hi, Lewis. Lewis, are you wearing boots?
Yeah, those are grippy socks.
Okay. Grippy socks.
Yeah, so it helps them not slide.
Lewis, you've blown holes in your grippy socks? Go, come on. Happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday. Hi.
A Big 10.
Oh, okay.
She's been boarding since she was about 8 months old.
So Paislee is the one that had the operation or something?
Yes.
Recently that was on your, yeah, okay.
So Paislee had that
I see it right
cyst
there.
removed.
Yeah, wow.
Paisley also dislocated her left hip,
Uh-oh.
and that was not fun.
Ouch.
And Paisley also is recovering from a bacterial infection in her left anal gland.
Oh,
So
yes.
she's been to the vet twice for that.
Yes. They're both simple, right?
She is a sweetheart.
It's nice and gentle, buddy.
You are so nice.
Hi, Lulu. Hi, Lewis. So Lewis is going to be
Great Dane.
16. Yes, she's a purebred
No, he'll be
Great
15
Dane.
on
15.
February
So
2nd.
15.
Yeah.
All right.
February 2nd.
Oh, hi. You're playful. Yes, you are. Hi.
Beautiful.
Yes, you are. You're beautiful.
You know it too.
You know it, don't you? Just take it easy, Lou. Take your time.
Take your time, buddy. No, we're not racing today. Your little heart can only take so much.
Look at Paisley. No
Yes,
wonder she
and
broke
her legs.
Oh.
Touch of water, Paisley? Touch of water?
Let's cross the brook.
Paisley's a Great Dane, right?
Yep, purebred Great Dane.
Wow. What a beautiful dog.
So I didn't buy her. She was given to me because she used to board as a puppy.
Wow.
And her owner didn't have the yard, the space, especially finding out that she was deaf. And so I was given the opportunity to keep her.
Just because she was deaf, it was an issue.
No, there's other things too, right? But she couldn't just go to an average family.
Yeah, no, no.
She needs the space.
Hi.
Kodi, come on.
This is not too usual.
Oh my God.
Remember Gus thump like you.
He's so excited. Oh my Lord, was that fresh?
That's good.
Good job.
She did okay.
Good job.
That's good.
Try and touch